Continuously create value for the customers is always my pursuit. Hello everyone, I'm Sebastian. I worked at Quick CNC for more than 12 years. In the year of 2024, I wish all of you good luck and prosperity. 新年快乐，龙年大吉。
Hello everyone, I'm Tracy from Quick CNC, your old friend. Chinese New Year is coming. Hope you enjoy the great Chinese New Year together with us. And Chinese Dragon brings you happiness, good luck, and fortune. 恭喜发财.
Hello everyone, this is Doris from Quick CNC. Thank you for choosing to trust our company. I wish all your dreams come true and everything will go well in 2024. Happy New Year.
Hi guys, I'm Lani from Quick CNC. A beautiful wish to you and all your families. Wish you happiness, joy, and peace in the coming year. Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, this is Fred from Quick CNC Machinery. We are the manufacturer of CNC router for more than 18 years. In the Chinese New Year, we wish you good luck and prosperity. Happy Chinese New Year.
Hello everyone, I'm Ines from Quick CNC. The Chinese New Year is coming. I hope all your New Year dreams come true. Wish you and your family a very happy New Year. 恭喜发财.
Hello everyone, I'm Andy from Quick CNC. I wish you a happy New Year. Good luck, good health, good cheer. 新年快乐
Happy New Year! 龙年大吉!